10 codes. 10 1 receiving poorly. Number 10 2 receiving well. Number 10 3 stop transmitting. 10 4 okay message received. 10 5 relay message. 10 6 busy standby. 10 7 out of service leaving air. 10 8 in service subject to call. 10 9 repeat message. 10 10 transmission completed standby. 10-11 talking to repeatedly. 10-12 visitors present. 10-13 advise weather and road conditions. 10-16 make pick up at. 10-17 urgent business. 10-18 anything for us. 10-19 nothing for your return base. 10-20 my location is what your location. 10-21 call by telephone. 10-22 report in personal to. 10-23 standby. 10-24 completed list assignment. 10-25 can you contact. 10-26 disregard last information, cancel last message. 10-27 I am moving to channel. 10-28 identify your station. 10-29 time is up for contact. 10:30 does not comfort for FC zeros. 10:32 I will give you a radio check. 10:33 emergency traffic at this station. 10:34 shovel this station help is needed. 10:35 confidential information. 10:36 need correct time. 10:37 record need at. 10:38 ambulance needed at. 10:39 your message delivery. 10:41 please turn off channel. 10:42 traffic accident at. 10:43 traffic tie off at. 10:44 I have a message for you. 10:45 all units within range please report. 10:50 break channel. 10:60 what is next message number. 10:62 enable coffee use phone. 10:65 waiting your next message for assignment. 10:67 all units comply. 10:70 fire at. 10:71 proceed with transmission in sequence. 10:73 speed drop at. 10:75 you are causing interference. 10:77 negative config. 10:84 my telephone number is. 10:85 my address is. 10:91 talk closer to the mic. 10:92 your transmitter is out of adjustment. 10:93 check my frequency on these channels. 10:94 please give me a long count. 10:95 transmit dead carrier for 5 seconds. 10:99 mission complete and all units secure. 10:100 need to go to bathroom and 10:200 police needed at.